In this video, I will show you how to force any apps on Android phone to your external SD card to free up storage space on your Android phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you enable your developer options on your Android phone. And for that, go ahead and open up settings on your Android phone. After you opened up your phone settings, next thing you want to do is to go to my phone right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down, go ahead and click on fashion info. Then here you go. Make sure you tap your bid number 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then enable your developer. You are now a developer. Next thing you want to do right here is to go back. On the settings right here, go ahead and make sure you type in apps. Click on that and type in app. So once you type in app, next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you look for. Then here, make sure you scroll down right here and make sure you look for force allow apps on external. Go ahead and click on this one right here. Force allow apps on external. And then here you go. It's going to take you to developer home sections right here. So at this point here, all you have to do is to make sure you turn on this and boom, you are done. So any app, you can move it from your Android phone to your SD card without any stress. No matter regardless of manifest and value of the app, it's going to be moved. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.